So here's another word to the wise video. If you have a birth certificate that does not have your last name on it, that is, you do not have your father's name at line 9 and you have no last name at line 7 for your name, you must add your father's name either as a late entry of name or addition of father's particulars. You may not have a problem right now, but you will, because if you go now to renew a passport that you've had for many, many years, you're going to have a difficulty. If you don't have it on it, get that fixed now. But the biggest problem that I'm having now is that kids of persons who left Jamaica many years ago to go to Panama, they went to Canada, the US, mostly England. Most of these I'm getting are kids whose parents and grandparents went to England. Their birth certificates have no last name, meaning it has a first name and a middle name with no last name beside it, and the father's name is not listed on the birth certificate. You need to have them put on no while your father is still alive, because if you try to add it afterwards, it's going to require a court document. Give the kids a chance of getting their dual citizenship. Fix your name on your birth certificate from now, so them now if they try to figure out how to do that through the court. Anyway, I am Gail of 876 Documents, giving you this word to the wise. Thanks for watching.